Hi, my name is Bob Casper, and I am one of several instructional design consultants for the Center for Teaching and Learning at Boise State University. In this video, my colleagues and I will take you through a 10-minute lightning session of They Made It Look Effortless, OER and Faculty Professional Development in a Pandemic. We will be looking at three areas: how organic OER curation played a role in faculty development, the application of OER in an online faculty workshop, and making OER work with constrained timelines and budgets. My colleagues will discuss in more detail our Flexible Teaching for Student Success, or FTSS program, specifically the faculty help sessions. We will also discuss a resource guide that was used, how organic OER from a community of practice came into play, and we will wrap things up with a reflection. So who is Boise State? Well, beyond the blue, Boise State is a public research university with about 26,000 students. That's for fall 2019, and that's according to university data. There were three areas that contributed to the Faculty Teaching for Student Success program, especially in the Tier 3. That was the Center for Teaching and Learning, our eCampus Center, and Learning Technology Solutions. So what did we do? Well, each group contributed their specialties and expertise and collaboration to address remote needs brought on by the pandemic. The effort was immediate, consisted of several tiers, which were offered in a manner to reach faculty at their level to be successful. Materials facilitated for each workshop took on the form of help sessions and were created in-house with the use of open educational resources. The Flexible Teaching for Student Success was a three-tiered program The Flexible Teaching for Student Success was a three-tier faculty development initiative to help faculty create highly flexible courses for fall 2020 in response to the pandemic and the campus closing their doors. It included a three-week The Flexible Teaching for Student Success program The Flexible Teaching for Student Success program was a three-tiered faculty development initiative. The Flexible Teaching for Student Success was a three-tiered faculty development initiative to help faculty create highly flexible courses for fall 2020. Oh, geez, oh, man. The Flexible Teaching for Student Success was a three-tiered faculty development program. The Flexible Teaching for Student Success was a three-tiered faculty development initiative to help faculty create highly flexible courses for the fall 2020 semester in response to the COVID pandemic. It included a three-week facilitated institute and a series of 6 one-week workshops. The team represented here today will focus on Tier 3, the team represented here today will focus on Tier 3, in which offered 23 help sessions on 5 different topics over the course of 10 weeks. The topics across the initiative were covered across the Tier 3 initiative, we covered topics including student engagement, learning materials, collaborating online, instructor presence, and assessment. I'm going to hand things off to my colleague Christy, and she will walk us through a bit more of the details on how the sessions were formatted, and she will begin to explain how the process of using OER was modeled.